L&T wins large contract for 3000 MW SAIDO NGAR1 pump storage project. L&T shares showed a steady to positive short-term response following the order announcement, reflecting investor comfort with the company's strong execution track record in large and complex infrastructure projects. The reaction appears driven more by long-term order book visibility rather than immediate earnings impact. From a business perspective, the SAIDO NGAR1 project strengthens L&T's dominance in hydroelectric and pump storage construction, a niche that requires deep technical expertise and execution capability. The project consists of 10 units of 300 megawatts each, underlining the scale and engineering complexity involved. Pump storage projects are increasingly important as renewable energy penetration rises. These assets help balance intermittent power generation by storing surplus energy and releasing it during peak demand, making them strategically critical for grid stability and energy security. For L&T, this order supports sustained revenue visibility in the heavy civil infrastructure segment and reinforces its positioning as a preferred partner for national-scale energy infrastructure. The company's ability to handle design, civil construction, and hydro-mechanical execution under a single umbrella remains a key competitive advantage. Within the broader sector, increased focus on pump storage aligns with India's long-term decarbonization and energy transition goals. Peers with limited exposure to such complex projects may find it difficult to replicate L&T's scale and execution credentials in this space. Key risks to monitor include execution timelines, geological challenges typical of large hydro projects, and coordination across multiple stakeholders. However, L&T's past delivery record reduces concerns around project management and safety standards. Looking ahead, continued momentum in pump storage and renewable-linked infrastructure could translate into a healthier order inflow pipeline for L&T. For investors, the SAIDO NGAR1 win reinforces confidence in the company's long-term infrastructure leadership and its role in India's evolving energy landscape.